Hi, this is Charles and Monica at Earthwise, earthwise.live. And the last video we showed you was about making a rain barrel. So come on along with us and I'll show you what we did so far. The rain barrel is actually to hold water for our outdoor shower for our guests. Here it is. It's all ready to use. Here's in case you want to fill something up. Very powerful. And here's the best part over here. I built this as a rain protection so that the battery would stay dry and everything here won't be deteriorated from the weather. This is the tiny little motor, which actually I bought that from Camp Lux, and it's really powerful but noisy, but it's okay. We'll know when people are taking a shower. And this battery is just it's a lawnmower battery. I leave this disconnected. Now that means it's ready to go. Here's propane. Turn that on. And let's have a look inside. Our handmade. We made this little by little. Some of it's scraps. So have a look. There's our Camp Lux portable shower. And Monica's idea for a shower curtain. Well, check this out. All you have to do is push this button. Noisy. Hot. Really hot. Luxury camping. So a little sink. You can just put hot water in here. Pour it in there. And wash. And you can pour it out in there or outside. There's our composting toilet with the urine diverter, which I can show you that in another video. This goes into a separate little tank, and it's got a vent, so it's no stinking. Yeah, those are how do you say, motion detector. And here's this is just sawdust. Just one scoop of this is enough to keep the odor down. This special odor deodorizer. And there'll be towels here and washcloths and other supplies, toilet paper. That's how far we came, which is pretty cool. You want to see the inside of the tent? Come on. Oh, here's another feature that's pretty cool. These are motion detector lights. And so they come on automatically when people are coming out of the tent and it's dark out here. It shows them where the step is. Well, I designed this because ordinarily these guy wires or supports would be way out here. And you can imagine someone coming out of the tent, going to use the bathroom, you won't see it. So this has held up pretty good. We've tried it out almost 3 months now, and it's holding up really well. And we built this to accommodate a tiny house. 6x6 posts with 2x8 double beams. And this would accommodate a 1.5-story tiny house, like a first floor with a loft. That's how strong it is. All right, here's our little casita. Come on in. And you don't even have to take your shoes off. Everything in here, all the wood is handmade by Monica and I. It's a little kitchenette. Of course, there's the absolute necessary coffee maker, hot water, and basic utensils. Here's drinking water. This bed we made ourselves, and it's a really super comfy mattress from Mattress Farm in Waynesboro. And this table we made, Monica's design, which is really awesome. It's very simple. And the nightstands, also very simple, out of pine. And this is the deluxe wardrobe for camping, complete with hangers. Eventually we'll do something better, a little bit more enclosed, and they can sit here and eat here, or they can sit there on the floor. And this is really cool. This is going to be next winter a wood stove right here. Just a little tiny wood stove. It holds 15-inch logs. And I think that's it. This is actually this is a white duck tent that we bought to try out, and we're really excited about it. That's a view of the Blue Ridge. Here's our peace pole. There's one thing that we really are very grateful for, and this is our sweet gum tree. The sweet gum balls. And this is actually, you can make Tamiflu out of this, and we already have. We sold out. I think we made 24 bottles, and we sold out all of it. But when these mature, you, make a tincture with 100 proof alcohol. And it's really effective against flu and viruses, and just really strengthens the immune system. Well, that's a little preview of our duck tent and our outdoor bathroom. And we'll be seeing you. We'll make another video soon with some other cool stuff that we're doing here. Thank you, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.